for one bold step to tackle security wahala for Edo State, Governor Okpebholo on Monday called one big security meeting wey shele for Iyamho West local government area, where for yarn say in dey serious about making Edo secure and say any criminal person no go get chance scatter the state while in dey power. The meeting na closed door one and it bring together big political people wey include Speaker Edo State House of Assembly Right Honorable Blessing Agbebaku, former Governor of Edo State and Senator representing Edo North Senatorial District Comrade Adams Oshomole, Minister for Regional Development Abubakar Momo, former Deputy Governors of Edo State Peter Obada and Philip Shaibu, Chief Mike Ogiadume, former Minister of State Budget Clem Agba, religious leaders, traditional rulers plus ogas dem for security agencies and other important stakeholders. Them gathered to talk about the kind security gbege wey Edo North dey face. After the meeting, Governor Okpebholo talk say the meeting dey peaceful, say as everybody put hand together, security for Edo State go better.
We came here for a peaceful discussion regarding security. All our leaders were present and we had a very useful discussion, and I believe we watch it from here, so things will be perfect in our land.
Comrade Oshomole con hear the governor for the sharp move, say na the first time where any governor don waka come personally to do this kind deep security talk with stakeholders. A constant talk said the state don give security people new motto and okada to help their work, and say community support na also serious part of the new plan.
We are very grateful to His Excellency the Governor of Edo State, Distinguished Senator Monday Okpebholo, who has come to discuss with the Afemai community about what he has been doing and what he will continue to do to ensure security of life and property in Edo State and for today in Edo North. He gave our people the opportunity to speak, as you must have seen, for 3 hours to hear everybody out. And he has given the assurance that he will continue. Because we will say he will start because he has already started. The people also thank him and appreciate his initiative. He has provided vehicles to the police, he's bought motorbikes for the people and so on and so forth. And working together, he recognized that the local people have their own role to play. So we have also discussed how the communities will work with the security agencies, and any information they have, they can always forward it to the governor through various channels. So I think on the whole, it's like meet your people and hear them out. To my recollection, this is the very first time. Even when I was governor, I don't think I came specifically for security, as we have done today. So the people have expressed their confidence in the governor. They have reaffirmed their loyalty, and they have affirmed their commitment to work together with the security agency so that Afemai land will be safe. I think it was a very good meeting.
Bishop Gabriel Jr. from Catholic Diocese of Auchi and His Royal Highness Malam Ali Suleiman from Edo North also praised the governor, say them they fully support the move. Say the fact the governor come by himself don't give them fresh confidence to join hand work for peace.
People have spoken their minds, the way forward, as our senator has just told us. They have spoken their mind and we are going to work with it. God is with us, and one with God is majority. We are going to win. We are going to conquer for God and for His people. Our land will know peace and rest now, from now on and forever.
This day we are experiencing a landmark event. In response to the security issues that have been agitating our minds. We have been very worried. The governor himself did not delegate anybody, came here just to show you who the governor is. Then of course our representative at the Senate is here. He did everything to convene this meeting to ensure that our people are assured that there's government, and our people are resolved that given this background, and our honorable minister is here all the way from Abuja, given this consolidation, given this effort by the grace of God with rational rulers, we are resolved to also work with them to ensure that our people are safe, and security by the grace of God will return to our people. Once more, thank you, Your Excellency.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. we no dey take blame. From Edo North, Ekata Ojesale, TMC News.